Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the latest and greatest in military technology. Today, we're going to talk about a groundbreaking new defender for Ukraine, the Tryzub laser weapon. This isn't just any weapon, it's a game changer in modern warfare. The ongoing war in Ukraine has seen some significant advancements in technology. From drones to cyber warfare, the battlefield is evolving rapidly. But the Tryzub laser weapon stands out as a particularly revolutionary development. On December 16, 2024, Ukraine made a historic announcement. They revealed that they are now deploying a brand new laser weapon, known as the Tryzub. This announcement has sent ripples through the global military community. This super advanced tech is already being used in the fighting, and early reports suggest it's making a significant impact. The Tryzub is designed to target and neutralize threats with pinpoint accuracy, making it a formidable tool in Ukraine's defense arsenal. The Tryzub could fundamentally change how we think about modern warfare, especially when it comes to protecting the skies. Its ability to intercept and destroy aerial threats could provide a new layer of security for Ukraine. This development is not just important for Ukraine, but for the entire world. It demonstrates that laser weapons are no longer just theoretical concepts or science fiction. They are now being used on real battlefields. This could have far-reaching implications for global military strategies. The Tryzub makes us rethink what fighting and defending will look like in the future. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative and powerful weapons emerging. The future of warfare is here and it's laser-focused. Ukraine really needs to stop drones and other tricky attacks. Ukraine is under constant attack from drones and other aircraft. Russia is using more and more unmanned aircraft, so Ukraine really needs a good way to stop them. The Tryzub laser is perfect for this. It's really good at stopping low-flying planes and drones. Using the Tryzub makes Ukraine's air defenses much stronger. It gives them a big advantage against these tricky attacks. Let's figure out the Tryzub, a cutting-edge laser weapon system designed to neutralize threats with precision and speed. How does laser technology actually stop attacks? The Tryzub uses a powerful beam of light to take out targets with pinpoint accuracy. The Tryzub's laser weapon system emits a concentrated beam of light that can engage and destroy moving targets, such as drones and missiles, with remarkable precision. This super-strong laser beam focuses on something dangerous coming towards it, like an incoming missile or an enemy drone, and neutralizes the threat before it can cause harm. The heat from the laser melts or breaks important parts of the target, rendering it inoperative. This process is incredibly efficient and effective. Lasers are super fast. They hit things at the speed of light. This means they can engage multiple targets in rapid succession, providing a significant tactical advantage. This is way better than regular weapons. Traditional weapons rely on ammunition, which can run out and needs to be resupplied. Lasers, on the other hand, only need a power source. It's faster, more accurate, and doesn't need bullets or missiles. This makes laser weapons not only more efficient but also more sustainable in the long run. The Tryzub's laser is a really good and effective way to defend against attacks. Its ability to neutralize threats quickly and accurately makes it an invaluable asset in modern warfare. As technology advances, laser weapons like the Tryzub will become even more integral to defense strategies, providing a reliable and powerful means of protection. Section 4. Changing the battlefield. How the Tryzub helps Ukraine defend itself. The Tryzub is a total game changer for Ukraine's defense. It's really good at stopping drones and low-flying planes, which is super important. This system helps stop attacks without using up all of Ukraine's expensive missiles. Having the Tryzub also makes people feel more confident, and shows that Ukraine has advanced technology. It shows that they're using new ideas, even while they're being attacked. The Tryzub is a big step forward for Ukraine's ability to protect its skies. Section 5. A look at the future, laser weapons and world safety. As we delve into the future of warfare, laser weapons are becoming a focal point of global security discussions. These high-energy beams, once the stuff of science fiction, are now a reality, transforming the battlefield in unprecedented ways. Ukraine using the Tryzub is a big deal for the whole world. This advanced laser weapon system represents a significant leap in military technology. The Tryzub's deployment is not just a milestone for Ukraine but a signal to the international community about the shifting dynamics of modern warfare. It shows a new phase in using powerful light beams as weapons in war. The precision and speed of laser weapons offer a strategic advantage, capable of neutralizing threats with pinpoint accuracy. This technology could redefine combat strategies and defense mechanisms. Other countries will probably want to make their own laser weapons faster now. The race to develop and deploy laser technology is intensifying, with nations recognizing the potential of these weapons to alter the balance of power. Research and development in this field are accelerating at an unprecedented pace. This could start a new kind of arms race all about lasers. Unlike traditional arms races focused on nuclear or conventional weapons, this new competition centers on harnessing the power of light. The implications for global security are profound, as countries strive to outpace each other in laser weapon capabilities. If the Tryzub works well in Ukraine, it could change how militaries all over the world plan and fight. Success in the field could lead to widespread adoption of laser weapons, prompting a reevaluation of military tactics and strategies. Command centers and operational plans would need to adapt to this new paradigm. Maybe wars in the future will be fought with light. Imagine a battlefield where lasers dominate, offering unparalleled precision and speed. This futuristic vision is closer than we think, as advancements in laser technology continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in modern warfare.